Hello everybody and welcome to the One Stop C# Shop, a course on the C# programming language. My name is Creplav and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. So welcome to the course, guys. This course is going to cover most of the C# programming language. It's designed for the absolute beginner. However, if you're not new to programming, you still may be able to get something from it if you haven't worked with the C# language before, or you could help me out and answer some questions that may arise in the comments. I'd really appreciate it if you could do that for me. So by the end of this course, you're going to be able to write your own C# applications, which I hope is the reason you came here and not just to listen to me talk, because I'm not that interesting to listen to most of the time. So we're also going to be covering both console and graphical applications in the course. So we're going to work with the command prompt window, creating applications in there, and we're also going to be creating applications that you can interact with the mouse, such as clicking buttons, drop-down lists. You're also going to learn some fundamental information for learning programming so that you can expand to other languages as needed or as you want to, or whatever fits your needs or desires. Throughout the course, we're going to be writing programs together to reinforce the material that we cover in the lessons. So if you're getting stuck on something or you don't quite understand how it's used, we're going to actually write an application that utilizes that information that we covered in the lessons. And I'm going to be writing the code as we go and talk about different things. I'm going to be writing my own little programs as we go. So there's going to be a varying number of programs that we write together in each section. So some may have two, some may have one. It all kind of depends on the section that we're in. The first few lessons, we're going to be covering the basics of the language. Things like data types, variables, stuff like that. However, we're going to quickly move to more advanced topics. So please take the time, sit down, and write the code with me. It is the absolute best way to learn programming, I promise you. The best way to learn is to do it yourself. Don't just listen to me talk. You need to figure these things out for yourself. I'll give you some help, but I can't just push the knowledge into your brain necessarily. It's got to be something that you kind of figure out as we go by writing the code. Make sense? You need a strong foundation for the topics that we discuss later in the course. So I'm going to try to really make sure that you understand where it can be used, what it is, and stuff like that, so that when we get to the later topics, you're not going to end up going, hey, we never talked about this, I don't remember this at all, this is completely new. If you're getting stuck like that, you should probably go back and rewatch some of the earlier lessons, because we shouldn't be getting stuck like that. Okay? Alright, so this course is going to be updated as the C# language changes, or as I discover mistakes in my videos, or I discover better ways of doing things that we've done previously. Rewriting the program so that they're more intuitive, easier to read, easier to write, stuff like that. Or if I find bugs in my code, then we've got a problem, so I'm going to have to redo those. If you'd like to be notified when new material comes out, go ahead and click subscribe down below, and that should notify you. If it doesn't, let me know, and I will make a video explaining how you can get notified. If you have any questions during any point in this course, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I, or maybe somebody else that's watching the course, will be more than happy to help you out. The C# programming language has a very large community, so there's a lot of people that can provide help. Thank you so much for taking this course. It really means a lot to me to be able to share my knowledge with you. If I could just help some people understand programming, that's my passion, and that's something that I really enjoy doing. So I hope you're able to come away with knowledge and a solid understanding of the language. That is my goal for this course. Alright, that wraps it up for this lesson, so I will see you guys in the next lesson. Thank you so much.